Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today I will show you my garden of 2022 update. Nothing is blooming yet, only the roses. So this is rose Sadabahar, and this one is blooming really well. This plant really blooms well. Look at how many buds it has. This is a really good rose. I love this one. Constantly flowering. Here I have little saplings. This is stalk, calendula, cherry, and this is sunflower. This phlox starting to bloom, and this is my first time. This is broccoli. I will show you when it flowers. And here is the big cherry about to flower, and here is my cosmos. Cosmos are lovely. There was a little bit of rain, and the rain broke my plant. Cosmos are amazing. Here I have nasturtium. These plants are really easy to grow. There's an orange one. I have two plants together, orange and yellow. Here's my aster. Asters are about to bloom. This is called I forgot the name of this plant every time. This year I had horrible luck with marigolds. First the birds ate my marigold, then the rats ate my marigold, so I don't have much marigold. This is gold coin. And this is salvia. This is a purple salvia. And my all-time, everybody's favorite, petunias. Petunias will grow everywhere in my garden. Petunias need no introduction. Look at this one. This is poppy. 2 poppy in 1 packet. This is aster in packet. This is gazania. Look, buds coming. This is a hybrid one, and this one is the regular one. I like the regular one. Buds coming. This is coreopsis. This is bad. This is what's his name? This is verbena. I have 2 verbena, same color, unfortunately, but they flower really well. This is my brinjal. It's about to fruit, I guess. And this is ixora. Now let me show you. This is a stalk. Look at the stalk. This one is really good. So healthy, so big and bushy. This is my dahlia. Dahlias this year is really nice. They're really healthy. And this is a pom-pom dahlia. I've never tried pom-pom dahlia. This is my first time. I will show you the results. This is mallow. I love mallow. This one is a Diantha Sweet William. And here is some more cosmos. 5 cosmos in a 12-inch pot. My tomatoes. Here is my small hollyhock. This is my big hollyhock. And this is my medium hollyhock. And this is one of my favorite plants. This is geranium. Geraniums are lovely. They have beautiful scent. The leaves have spicy scent. I love this. This is also a small geranium. This is anthurium or snapdragon, but this one is short, hybrid. And this one is California poppy. This is cornflower, dianthus. I have two dianthus. One is deep pink and one is deep red. And this is the poppy that I bought this year. I think this one is double poppy. I hope it is a double poppy. If it's not, I will be very disappointed. And this is a yellow cosmos, about to flower. And here I have, this one is called freesia. And first time trying freesia. I will show you when it blooms, freesia bulb. And here I have my orange rose. This year I had a lot of thrips problem. Look out. Look. Healthy leaves, beautiful bud. But here, thrips attack. Thrips attack. But this one is doing quite well. Fine. I had this rose for many years. And here is another one. This one has a lot of thrips attack. Look. But they're about to flower. This one is healthy. I had to spray lots of neem oil. Here's my white rose. I just pruned my white rose. This one also had thrips attack. Thrips is a big problem, and this is called this is called rose fancy talk. This one is really nice. And here is my marigold. Marigolds are not doing great this year because rat attack, birds attack, not human attack, rats attack, bird attack, lots of attack. And here I have impatience. Impatience. This is a pansy. Oh, look. A pansy. Oh, wow. Pansy bud. This is a alyssum. Look at the color. Dorania. This is also alyssum. This is... Now this is my mulberry. Look at the mulberries. And this is pomegranate. I just pruned it yesterday. This is the horrible hibiscus side. I'm not going to show you. I have some empty pots here. So this is it. This is my garden. Not yet blooming. I think I'm a bit late this year, but anyways, I hope this new year brings lots of happiness and success in your life. That is it. I will show you my garden when it blooms. Till then, bye. See you next time. Happy gardening.